Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute, and today we're going to be doing another contact lens try on haul. I had some contacts sent to me from Ttdeye, and of course I'm going to be trying them on with you guys and just sharing my thoughts about them. Thank you so much to Ttdeye for sponsoring today's video. So yeah, you guys, let's head right into it. So we have some stickers in the box, and we also have a card that tells you how to win free contact lenses. We have a handheld mirror in there, and we also have the contact lenses in this packaging. They come in different colors. We have green, pink, and blue somewhere in there, and it also comes with casing for the contact lenses as well. You do not get no contact lens solution whatsoever. With this package, you have to buy that separately. Most of the time you definitely have to buy your contact lens solution separately. And these are non-prescription lenses, just in case you're wondering, although they do sell prescription lenses on their website. I'm going to leave the direct link to everything that I try on today in my description box, so in case you're interested, you find it there. So yeah, you guys, let's just head into the try on part, and I'm going to bring you guys closer so you can get a better view.
I used to feel safe next to you, babe. No, I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday we could work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try.
Alright you guys, so this is the first one, and this is what we have, and I can't seem to find the name of the contacts on the pack. I don't know why. I'm going to write it in the description box though, so you find it there in case you're interested, and I'm probably going to put it on the screen as well. So yeah, you guys, this is what we have with the first one, and I really like this one. Normally I don't like green contact lenses, but for some reason today I really love the way they play with colors with this one. We have the green on the outer corner. I don't know if you guys can see that. Then we have like a light shade of green in the center as well. I really love it. I feel like this complements my skin tone so much. I don't know, usually I don't like green contact lenses because I always feel like they look, you know, off on my skin tone, but for whatever reason today I really love this one. It was super easy to put on, no stress whatsoever, feels extremely comfortable. And in case you're wondering why I didn't put them on camera, you guys, it's a struggle. I always have to look at like a big mirror to be able to put on my contact lenses. I can't do it with like a small mirror, so that's why I don't wear contact lenses on camera. But anyways, you guys, this is absolutely comfortable, gorgeous, love the color, feels extremely comfortable. I think I already mentioned comfortable like 10 times. That's because it's super comfortable, and I don't even feel like I have anything on right now. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all I had to say about this one. So we're just going to go ahead and move on to the next one. So this is the second one, and this one is just a very light shade of brown. This one also feels very comfortable, looks very natural. If you're new to contacts and you're looking for a color that is not doing the most that you can start with, I think this is a very nice color to start with. It feels very comfortable. I think I already said that. Was super easy to put on like the first one, and you guys, there's not much to say. She's a nice color, she feels comfortable, and all of that good stuff. So we're just going to go ahead and move on to the next one. So this is what this one looks like, and this one is like a mixture of light gray and light blue somewhere in there. She was super easy to put on as well, feels extremely comfortable, and this one is a bit all up in your face. She's striking, but I still like her as well. And yeah, you guys, there's not much to say. It feels comfortable, nice shade of light blue and light gray, and we're just going to go ahead and move on to the next one.
What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When what?
Alright you guys, so this is what the fourth one, I think this should be the fourth one at this point. This is what this one looks like. This one is just like the blue version of the first one that we tried out, the first green. This is just the blue version. We have the darker blue at the outer corner, and then we have the lighter blue in the center. And I feel like I'm looking into your soul with this one. I feel like she's striking. She's definitely all up in your face, but I like her. I feel like she'd be nice for some makeup looks. I'd use her to spice up some of my makeup looks. And yeah, you guys, let's just go ahead and move on to the next one. So this is the fifth one, and this is what it looks like. This one is just a darker shade of blue at the outer corner, and then we have a light shade of brown in the center, and it's similar to the last one that I just tried out. The difference is just that this one has like a light shade of brown in the center, while the other one has a light shade of blue in the center. And I'm not mad at this one at all. Feels comfortable, easy to put on as well. You guys already know, so we're just going to go ahead and move on to the last one finally. And at this point, you guys should just ignore my flying lashes, because sis, my eyes are literally screaming at the moment. But anyways, let's just go ahead and move on to the next one. So this is the last one, and at this point you guys should just ignore this slash because I'm pretty sure she's all over the place. But can we get into this gorgeous lens? Can we get into this gorgeous color? You guys, I don't know, something about today's haul is making me change my mind about green contact lenses. I feel like you just need to find the right shade that suits you, because can we get into this green? The choice of colors in this one, absolutely gorgeous. I love the way they made the center brown. We have more of the brown and the shade of green at the outer corner as well. Very, very gorgeous. Love it. It feels very comfortable. You guys already know, easy to put on, all of that good stuff, and I really like her. That's pretty much all I had to show you guys. And if you made it to this point, thank you so much for sticking around with me. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section. I think my favorite for today has to be the blue, and then, did I say the blue? No, the green, and then the blue, and we have this one as well. Those three are my top three, but I did like everything that I tried on. So let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, share with your family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.